What can you tell us about south of the courthouse?
SOCO. SOCO just had a nice write-up in the Triangle Business Journal. The Staffords are clients of ours. The Staffords pretty much own the southwestern corner of the circle. Can you have a corner of the circle? They own between 15501 and 64 Business. They own pretty much everything there, minus the old hospital, minus the church, and minus the ABC store. But what is now Second Bloom, Heather Johnson's office space, the Mod Bar, the Mod Restaurant, the political headquarters, and what used to be the Roadhouse, and the parking lot across the street, all owned by the Staffords. Staffords have met up with a architectural firm to do a multi-million-dollar renovation to the project. One of the things that we're looking at, where the political headquarters is right now, after the election this year, we'll be renovating that place into a two-story restaurant. We've looked at, we've spoken with some sushi restaurants and a couple of oyster bars, which would be nice. So we would have internal dining, and then we would have rooftop dining as well. And so that project will be getting in 2021. We're in negotiations right now with a brewery at the Roadhouse, and that looks like it's going to be coming online pretty soon, but we haven't signed papers with them. And then the Second Bloom, we'll have to find another spot for them, because the Staffords will be taking down that building, and they'll be doing like a patio structure and whatnot. So we're real excited about it. That seems like a huge benefit to the town, and the Staffords have done a phenomenal job about investing into the community, and it will really help the whole downtown area.